Numerical integration using trapezoidal rule gives the best result for a single variable function, which is, so option A is linear, B is parabolic, C is logarithmic, or option D is hyperbolic. Now, if you have already studied this numerical integration on trapezoidal rule, you must be knowing that the correct answer is option A. But let's understand why numerical integration using trapezoidal rule gives the best result for linear functions. Okay, so trapezoidal rule of numerical integration, it says integral from x0 to x0 plus n times of h of f of x into dx is equal to h by 2 whole multiplied by y0 plus yn plus 2 times of y1 plus y2 plus up to yn minus 1. Now if you take a closer look here, you will see that this is the summation of areas. Let's understand this trapezoidal rule using graph, which will give a brighter picture for this. Now suppose we need to numerically integrate this curve y is equal to f of x from x0 to some point xn. Here we are dividing xn in n equal intervals such that x1 minus x0 is equal to x2 minus x1, and we can write the interval as delta x here, or here it is represented in this formula, it is represented by h. Okay, so h will be equal to xn minus x0 divided by n. Now when we take a linear curve, we get a perfect trapezoids, right? So if we see this y0 and y1, if we see, let's say this point be A, this be B, C and D. So ABCD makes a perfect trapezoid, this hashed part. And thus we can calculate this area ABCD exactly the same using the trapezoidal rule. Okay, but suppose if we are taking any curvature like a logarithmic curve, or suppose any curve of any polynomial other than linear, so there is always a curvature, and when we calculate using the trapezoidal rule, this curve, this curve from point, let's say A dash to A double dash, this is not linear, and thus we don't get the exact value using the trapezoidal rule. Okay, because the trapezoidal rule actually calculates the area of n trapezoidals. Therefore option A is the correct choice. For more detailed information, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 10, numerical integration, trapezoidal rule, on numerical methods and simulation techniques for scientists and engineers by Professor Saurabh Basu of the Department of Physics at IIT Guwahati.